Hold it under. One more time. All right, you are regular. Look at this, guys. You see that, guys? You're goofy. Let me see. You're goofy. Straight up. Can you stretch your arms like this and look at the ocean? No? Okay, we can get all this. All right, you are goofy. Straight up, look at the ocean. Regular. So that's because just cool things. I don't know if you guys know, it's plastic things. That's one of the best boards for surf instructors all the time, because this not cut your legs or nothing. This is it's not chopped. It's just plastic, so there's no danger when you guys get it on your body or hit you on your head or something like that. The leash always is attached in your back foot. This is really important to have it all the time. Only people like us, that we surf big waves sometimes, that we don't like to wear a leash. But believe it or not, this can save your life. And the safety is always number first for us in anything. So, one very good and important thing to know, you never want to have the board in this position facing the water. Why? Because the waves is going to come in this way and that's going to push the board straight to your face. And the number one, safety first. So want to have all right. You guys, I told you, you guys are regular or goofy, remember? So, my body always have to be right on there in the line on the board. If you move too forward, too forward, what will happen if I paddle right down there? My board is gonna come behind me and I'm gonna wipe out, is what we call. So, for that to not happen, you're gonna move back right down there. And we're gonna do some steps. First, paddle, 1, 2, 3. Stand up your back, like same position. Step number 1, back foot. Number 2, front foot. Bend your knees lower, shoulders up. Always looking forward. You don't wanna, hey, thank you. No, you want to look forward because if someone is in front of you, you're going to hit it with the board, run it over. You want to be always watching where are you going, okay? One more time. Paddle, 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Back foot, front foot. Bend your knees lower. My position is silent. My position is not like that. It's not my foot like that. You see my position where it is? I'm not too forward and I'm not too much in back. Always my back foot right here, front foot right there. That's what you want. And bend your knees. Alright? I'm gonna do goofy position. It's the same way. Paddle, 1, 2, 3. Plank position. Back foot, front foot. Bend your knees lower. Always your knees lower. Why? If you stand up and you're standing normal, you want to fall back or wipe out. Lay down. Ready? Paddle, guys. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Bend your knees. Shoulders up. All right. Step in that position. Don't move. All right. You can even step up a little forward. You'll be perfect right down there. If you're bored, if the nose of your board is starting going up, you have to lean forward a little bit. All right? You got it? Let me see. Shoulders up. Good. Nice. Good job. Look forward. Look forward. Put your shoulders up. Perfect. Let me see. Nice. Beautiful. Can you put the side? Perfect. That's what I want. Nice. Let me see. You gotta switch your leash. You see your leash? Where do you have it? Yeah. It's gonna go in your back foot. All right?
We're gonna turn facing me, Coach Josh.
Perfect. Good job.
I can't do
Let me see, sir. Open your legs a little bit more. Nice. Keep your shoulders up all the time. It's going to give you more balance.
My front or to the side? To the front, this
Perfect.
side?